Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo guys, ketemu lagi dengan SCHTV di SCH Game. Nah, kita akan kembali lagi bermain Red Dead Redemption kedua ya. Namun sebelum itu, kita opening dulu. Baiklah guys, ya kita lanjutkan kembali perjalanan si Asep Dekil ya. Kalau kalian mengikuti video-video saya sebelumnya, saya panggil si Arthur ini dengan panggilan si Asep Dekil karena saya melihat memang pakaiannya itu dekil and kucel. Nah, sorry ya guys kalau misalnya banyak bahasa-bahasa daerah ya, karena memang saya itu susah sih kalau karena udah biasa ngomongnya pakai bahasa Sunda ya, jadi ya sekali lagi mohon maaf ya.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
So, what do you think of this place?
Seems fine for now. I know this area a little.
Is there anywhere you ain't been, Jose?
Saya udah lama nih gak nyumbang ke ini apa, ke camp ya. Kalau mancing itu guys, saya tuh paling kurang suka tuh, susah ya di sini di RDR ini mancingnya. Kenapa ya balik lagi? Oke.
So Arthur, is it true about the bad luck?
What bad luck?
I just broke my pocket mirror, and I remember me old ma saying that a broken mirror means 7 years bad luck.
7 years? We won't see 7 years out. Don't be ridiculous. But if I find a mirror on my adventures, I'll bring it back for you.
Thank you, Arthur.
Suruh mencari cermin. Oke ya, mudah-mudahan saja nanti ketemu di jalan. Ini guys, saya mau urut kumis dulu guys sama jenggot biar agak gantengan dikit ya. Ini lihat mukanya si ini tuh bengetang skucel lagi ya lur. Terus diklik dulu sih ya guys, mantap. Biarin ini panjang. Ush. Assalamualaikum Pak Ustadz. Rambutnya dong. Rambutnya bisa digunduli ya. Harusnya rambutnya bisa digunduli guys. Ini mah cuma kumis, jenggot sama apa, godeg. Jambang ya. Yang lainnya nggak bisa di apa, rambutnya harusnya bisa digundulin ya. Kalau saya mau bikin dia botak biar mirip sama saya, tapi kayaknya nggak bisa tuh. Udah ini aja dulu, nanti juga manjang lagi kalau beberapa hari. Coba lihat muka kamu, wish, Udin Dekil sekarang dengan wajah yang baru. Wajah baru. Oke, Din. Apa sih? Din, kamu harus nyumbang dulu buat kemajuan camping ini, Din.
Mr. Morgan.
Oh,
Mr. Morgan.
nah, tuh.
Do you think the Pinkertons are finally gonna kill us?
Perhaps.
I'm so worried.
Aneh-aneh. Saya sumbang dulu. Persenjataan sudah mulai berkurang. Kita lihat tanda merah ya di sana. Saya mau nyumbang perhiasan. Oke. berkelang-kelang nih. Ini saya mah orangnya baik hati dan tidak sombong. Oke. Nanti sih yang lainnya saya jual. Lumayan loh, memang $42 loh. Persenjataan sudah mulai berkurang ya. Beli dulu ini apa, peluru. Amunisi, oke. Beli amunisi, terus makanan apa masih banyak. Makanan juga masih lumayan banyak. Din, uang kamu masih banyak, Din, harusnya kamu nyumbang loh. Lebih lebar atau nanti aja lagi. Oke guys, kita lanjutkan misi ya, pokoknya kita misi-misi aja dulu ya. Kalau sudah selesai misi baru jalan-jalan. That's Vanderlinde deh. Oke guys, tapi kita tagih dulu hutang guys. Sini ya, tagih hutang dulu. Let's go, kita nagih hutang. Kita cek dulu peluru. Pelurunya. Oke, 4 pistol, sudah cukup lah. Usah banyak-banyak kamu Madin. Naon?
Well, I'm alive, Miss Grimshaw.
These girls, Mr. Morgan, they're driving me to despair.
Why?
No
On.
attitude and no manners. This younger generation, it saddens me. The world is ruined.
Lah, mamane leh. Tidak perlu beli obat-obatan.
Anyway, I won't disturb you.
Well, just go on.
Girl.
Let's go. Dia lah. Shooter mah. Linglung.
Yep.
Yes. Oke, Udin Dekil siap-siap untuk menagih hutang ya, kepada para peminjam hutang yang telat bayar ya. Nah, seperti biasa, kadang-kadang yang lebih galak itu yang punya utangnya guys, daripada yang punya modal. Jadi begitu pas ditagih tuh malah yang marah-marah tuh yang punya utangnya cuy. Begitulah realita. Tapi kalau di sini beda lagi cuy. Di RDR2 ini Asep Dekil ini lebih galak loh kalau dalam masalah nagih hutang. Apa memang harusnya sih gitu, harus lebih tegas harusnya. Oke. Tapi saya harus nagih hutang nih. Apa bener tadi ini gambar ini tuh biasanya nagih hutang ya? Ini gambar ini teh biasanya mah. Bisa coba nanti lihat. Tapi katanya di kota ini tidak boleh mengeluarkan senjata cuy. Kita coba aja. Sepertinya yang punya utangnya di dalam sini. Saha. Saha sih.
Hey, this here's the feller. The one that found me.
The medicine man, huh? Helps with the mystery box?
I will owe you my whole life. No lie.
Saha mana? Seru aja kelihatan jeung wig.
Buy you something from the store. Whatever you want, it's on me.
Nah, pret ah. Bentar
Okay.
ya.
Appreciate it.
Sini dulu cuy. Tutup ya.
Don't look quite right.
Ketutup ya. Oh sih, oh kayaknya ini penjual, bukan juga penjual peti. Jalan belakang.
I ain't never gonna get the hang of this.
Sana ngomong. Coba.
Dad don't care if it's pretty, right?
Oh, lagi di belakang.
When Hughes, start picking out a box for yourself. If you don't got that money, you owe Leopold Strauss.
I don't. I need more time.
Doesn't everybody? That casket for you? Or you want another?
Wait. I can get it for you.
Oh, tuh,
But,
bayar.
Well,
Mana?
come with me to the churchyard
Sok.
and stay close.
Sok tong lupa luak liuk.
Oh, this ain't right. I mean, I'll get you your money, but well, you'll see.
What ain't right is borrowing money you can't pay back.
I guess you're correct, but this it ain't exactly right. What we're doing.
Bayar
You
hutang
ain't the
siya.
first to put his hand in the collection box, and you won't be the last. Rests a little easier knowing church has been taking more than they need off poor folks since time began.
Well, like I said, well, the morality of the matter is a little more confusing than that.
Mau ke gereja cuy.
Okay, you head on in the church, I'll keep watch.
Well, it ain't in there. It's under here.
Sok.
I'm digging up Mrs. Claypole.
Jesus!
Well, she got a bunch of jewels in there that she don't need.
Kuburan. Banyak kuburan cuy.
Oh, damn it.
Naon?
There's a bunch of people here. Oh, I got it. Look,
So-
you
so-
clear them off, and I'll wait right around here. But don't hurt nobody. We don't want no fuss.
Naon sih?
Don't be shy, ain't no one around.
Just
You two might want to find somewhere a little more private.
We was fine until you got here, mister. Good day now.
Get out of here, kids! Move!
come on. You shouldn't have been here.
You missed your
Ngalak,
chance,
uy.
boy.
Aduh, ini si emak kernaon ya. Mak, kernaon mak?
Ma'am, would you mind clearing out of here for some maintenance work?
Gladly. It's about time this place got cleaned up.
Terus balik kan itu mam. Bisa kenal mana?
It's all clear.
Awas ya maling sih.
Now go watch the gate. I'll get to this
Hah?
exhumation.
What? Iya marek maling cuy, bayar hutang tapi kudu maling. Keterlaluan si Ujang eta. Ini nggak boleh diikutin ya cuy. Perbuatan ini salah, guys. Bayar hutang, dia nyuri dari bank. Nyuri dari bank, nyuri dari gereja. Aduh, parah.
I'm sorry, ma'am. The church grounds are closed for maintenance work.
Well, it's about time, too. The place was in need of some care and attention.
Pulang lagi. Nah, arwah deh. Harus dijaga ketat sih. Jangan sampai ada yang masuk. Aduh, datang.
That's how it is. Things was done on merit. You and me'd be running things. Sure would. Yep. Hey, look, we're closed for some excavation work. Would you mind?
No, I ain't gonna mind you at all. You carry on with your business, we'll carry on with ours. This fella. Oh, damn choir boy.
Get the hell out of this churchyard. Are you boys gonna need yourselves a preacher?
You hear this fella? I heard him all right. We're gonna lick you back.
Aduh.
You're gonna get a whooping. Got some nerve on you. Ain't no any of this now.
Sia. Orang yang bisa.
Shit. Hope this hole's dug.
Aduh, kayaknya ningali deh. Ngomongan wah. Astagfirullahaladzim, dia tuh menggali kuburan.
What you find?
She had a brooch here. It looks like diamonds.
Aduh. Mana?
Quick, take it before somebody sees us.
Gelak tuh hese.
Well, this'll do. Now get out of here before someone sees you.
Kita. Teringat apa? 50 mana dah? Teringat. Lihat orang. Iya jalan masih kayak gitunya. Oke, kita ke kantor polisi dulu coy. Kita kalau nggak salah kemarin tuh si polisi itu nyuruh supaya ini si Asep Dekil untuk main ke kantor polisi. Jadi memang ini tempat kedua ini pelarian. Dia nggak tahu kalau Asep Dekil ini adalah seorang penjahit. Mana. Waduh, banyak tai kuda ya. Aduh, kuda aku modal udah berapa kali ya. Kantor polisi. Sini kuda simpen dulu ya. Kudanya biar nggak kabur. Oke. Si Blok tidak. Halo Blok.
You're all right now, girl.
Shh. Kuda wing teh. Assalamualaikum.
Of course. Oh, and here is my dear friend, Arthur Callahan. Boy is a hunter. Boy is a killer. Arthur, you've met but not been introduced to Mr. Oh, I'm so sorry, Sheriff
How are you doing, sir?
I'm fine.
Tough business you boys had.
We did?
Oh, there's no need to pretend with me, sir. Life can be tough.
So it can.
And no man owes another anything.
No, sir.
But still, I feel you were hard done by. Losing your employment like that. But still, here in Rhodes, we have work enough for honest men.
Oh, that's some strong stuff. Still, don't seem to be doing you any harm, I guess.
Exactly.
Whoa.
Excuse me a moment.
Mabok polisi. Lagong bisa. Stok.
I told you we was moving up in this world. Deputies.
You have finally lost your mind.
Amongst these drunkards, hillbillies, and slavers? Good honest thieves like us. We're bound to be moralizers in a place like this. Oh, Sheriff Gray, you are back.
Now listen, sir. There is shine in them woods, though. And it is costing this county its good name. And the state a whole lot of income. You boys wouldn't mind rooting it out. Maybe we'll make you permanent. I gotta sit me down a second.
Not a problem, sir. Not a problem at all. You are in safe hands now. And people waste time with the temperance movement. Liquor never dulled a good man's senses. Arthur, you ride with the deputy. Bill and I will follow.
Polisinya kalahkan mabok.
Let's go.
Ayo. Polisi kalahkan mabok. Kelakuan.
How are you?
Pretty good.
And your friend is behaving himself?
Oh, yes. I think he's learned his lesson.
Congratulations on becoming a temporarily deputized citizen of Scarlet Meadows County. Most towns just get bounty hunters to do their dirty work these days, but Sheriff Gray believes the law should keep the law. Now, I'm sure I don't need to... Mind you, there's a chain of command here.
There is?
Dang straight there is. This is a dangerous business, but follow my lead and you'll be just fine.
Sure. Hey! Archibald wants to remind us he's in charge here.
Of course!
Who else would be?
You were a big help with them Anderson boys, and I put in a very good word with the sheriff on your behalf.
We appreciate that.
We rounded up the others soon after. I'm pushing for the rope myself, but that's by the by.
So, these moonshiners.
Not just any moonshiners, Braithwaites. I told you about the Braithwaites.
Pretty sure you did.
Old Cotton family had a fortune at one point until, well, a few changes in the labor laws. Now they're dealing in moonshine. We found their stills hidden all over Lemoyne. Quick as we destroy one, another one pops up. You could call it a pitiful fall from grace, if they had any grace to start with.
I have no time for tax dodgers.
Not to mention the fact that Catherine Braithwaite has a rather expensive interest in thoroughbred horses to maintain.
But I heard something about it being gold these families were fighting over.
Well, that's the rumor. But the Grays and the Braithwaites think the others stole a fortune from them. But it happened so long ago, I don't know for sure if it's true.
Must be tough being rich, huh?
So I imagine.
That bad
So I imagine.
Suits you, Mr. W.
Yes. I thought so too.
Does it feel good to be back at it? Serving your country?
I wouldn't go that far.
Kemana nih ya?
Whoa! Hold up. You see that wagon?
Coba cek. Ada apa ini? Sekarang Asep Dekil jadi sheriff, cuy. Jadi polisi dia sekarang.
Damn flies! I swear they got it in for me.
You could try washing once in a while.
Come on, mister. Keep your eyes open.
Ini dia mau ngambil apa sih? Tadi salah wae.
No. This must have happened recently.
Kaleng rombeng.
Hey, come have a look at this.
Wah, jadi bangkai cuy.
Look, suit and tie, one bullet clean through the forehead. Well, my money says this is the handiwork of a gang called the Lemoyne Raiders.
Yeah, I've run into them.
Let's see if we've got any identification. Okay. We should get going. I'll send someone over here later to clean this up.
Oke, kemana deh? Aku ingin berperang, cuy. Asep Dekil ingin berperang. Ya udahlah, ikut aja. Ya, salah deh, salah posisi. Yuk, lanjutkan perjalanan.
I want to have a look at these papers.
Sure.
I'll direct you.
Oke, nah sekarang Asep Dekil ya yang membawa kretek, yang membawa kretek, yang membawa kuda ya.
Frederick Mitchell, Lemoyne State Legislator.
Malam Asep Dekil udah ahlinya.
Yes, this certainly smacks of the Raiders to me.
Duh, kabut deh. Kelihatan eh. Belum kabut sih.
They've murdered this year alone.
Yep. Not the nicest fellas in my experience.
Go right at the crossroads. Oh, and I know the Braithwaites are in business with them.
Langsung kanan. Waduh, kembali lagi ke patahan tuh. Kapok tuh kalau udah di sini.
Town preacher and town sheriff. Would drink a sailor under the table before breakfast. Bear right again here. He had one tiny hand, like a child's, on the end of a grown man's arm. But anyway, this tells you what kind of people the Braithwaites are, selling moonshine to murderers. I tell folks don't even speak to them. Don't even look them in the eye.
I'm sure I wouldn't.
Tempatnya serem gitu. Anjir. Hiu.
Here we are. So what was I saying?
Something about the Braithwaites, I think.
Ayo, kemana?
Even saying that word makes me sick.
Kalah. Ini baterai senjata. Jangan sampai tidak bawa senjata. Ya 8, 19. Let's go.
Anyone we find here, we bring in alive, understood? Round them up and take this operation down for good. Come on. Let's see what we're dealing with.
Oh, ada perkampungan cuy. Di tengah rawa. Sepertinya ini para penjahat.
See? What did I tell you, boys? What did I say?
Wow.
I said this place was crawling with vermin, and we just found ourselves nest par excellence, as they say in Paris. My aunt, she went to Paris back in '78.
How are we gonna handle this?
Well, the way I see
Actually, let my friend here decide. He doesn't have your fine way with words, but he is definitely the man for the job. Let's split up. Arthur and Bill, me and Archibald. You boys want right or left?
I like right.
I'll take the right.
Let's stop these filthy, degenerate tax dodgers. The cheek of them. A fine
Ayo,
idea.
kita ke kanan ya. Yang lain ke kiri cuy.
Remember what he said. We need them alive. Let's just knock them out and then tie them up.
Got it.
Aduh, kalau ada buaya nih. Ada 2 orang.
We won't catch the rider.
You wait here. I'll deal with him.
Okay, make it quick.
boy. I kill you, boy. I kill you. Oh shit. Aduh, salah cuy. Harusnya jangan dibunuh cuy. Fuck off. Salah. Knock gitu bukan membunuh. Malah pakai pisau. Beleguk. Malah klik R2 tolong.
Let's stop these filthy, degenerate tax dodgers. The cheek of them.
Okay.
Remember what he said. We need them alive.
Okay.
Let's just knock them out and then tie them up.
Got it, Deputy Williamson.
Hold back. See if they split up.
Okay. Nih, dongkok. Dongkok.
We won't catch the rider. Grab the other fella.
Think you take this one, Bill.
With pleasure.
Oh, dia naik kuda. Anthony, cek.
Anthony, where you at, boy? Goddamn fool. Where you at, boy? Anthony.
Kemana Bill? Ayahan tau Bill. Knockout pakai naon sih ya? Okay, I catch you. Kalian masih cing. Ya sip. Okay.
Come here.
Let's go. I got you.
Let's gather them up.
Kemana? Tenaga habis cuy. Aduh, lewat rawa. Oke.
Just drop him with the others.
Ah. Ah.
I think that's it. Well, what do we do now?
We better destroy all this. Any of your boys can handle explosives?
Sure, anyone but him.
So.
Oke.
That is the last time I met
Oh, disuruh dihancurin coy.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Oke, I like. Oh, wish, kalem cuy. Jangan terlalu bersemangat. Oh. Flash RT itu flash dinamit. Maksudnya gini, ulang lagi gini ya, terus klik RT. Terus
Please tell me you're almost done, Arthur. Sure.
Guru kan sih kan videonya. Aduh, Asep Dekil meleguk. Ulang deh. Astaga, ilah. Asep Dekil, kamu setelah dikurut kumis kok jadi agak tolol ya? Nah, kalau udah dinyalain, kamu kabur. Nyala belum? Asep Dekil. Oh shit, jadi perang cuy. I like this. Timbul kerja dengan itu.
Give me a hand with these bastards.
Shit.
Sorry, boys. We're putting you out of business. Come on.
Come on. Holy shit. Shit. I like this. Siap. Let's go. Ih, perang dengan heula duit. Dasar. Nikmat. Ayo, mana deh?
I don't see any more. Do you? No. Let's find Dutch and get out of here.
Fine by me.
Nah, duit. Lumayan.
Are we getting out of here then?
Santai tuh cuy. Lagi nyari dulu duit cuy. Ini ada topnya. Sih. Dari dulu duit cuy. Jangan aku panggil Asep Dekil. Santai aja. Kita nyari makanan yang biar agak semangat. Ayolah. Lompatan loh, kas bolon. Penasaran tapi ya. Tangannya yang naon di dia teh. Kita cari uangnya. Lupa seberapa juta sekarang. Mukatan itu dia. Ninja. Ya, siapa tahu ada rahasia. Kalau medin SF, kalau mah SF lah. Tapi karena itu mau komputer. Ini nggak coplak pun. Ya teuing sih. Aduh. Itulah tuh. Oh, naon euy. Saya polisi. Saya monster. Bener balik mah. Ayo. Nanti sini lagi lah. Sudah tinggalkan. Jauh kali itu kan dia. Penarunguan. Ternyata menunggu coy, sabar oke.
Well done. Well, forgive me, but me and my men must return to our lives. Ah, seems like we failed to destroy the last of the moonshine.
Sure.
Would you like us to?
Well, I normally take it for personal consumption. It's sort of part of the job. But I better get back home. Why don't I just take a jug or two and leave you boys the rest to show that there's no hard feelings on account of the war?
We are all Americans.
Of course. My cousin, Webster, he used to say some of us is not as American as others, if you know what I mean. Only I didn't quite. Come on, you degenerate, no-good, white trash, hillbilly piece of scum. I know you, Billy Lime.
Finally.
You've always been a piece
Finally.
of crap. Come on, move
We
it.
haven't liked
Move
it. On a land so stupid, a backwater so backwards that even we are like geniuses. Bill, get this stuff out of here. Come on, you ride with me.
Okay.
Let's go.
Yes,
Let's go.
show it to Hosea. I'm sure he can find a use for it.
Ganti baju dulu cuy.
Bit of trouble back there, Arthur?
Let's go.
Ain't there always? From what they was yelling, I
Enak ya.
think they were the buyers.
Bisa ganti baju
Old
dengan
Archibald didn't ask
kuda.
too many questions, so neither should we.
I ain't planning to.
That was worth the effort, though. Deputized and hiding in plain sight. These lawmen, these two families. I mean, I really
Keamanan
think
ya.
we can play this from all sides. It's got Hosea written all over it.
This is starting to sound like the young Dutch again.
What do you mean, young Dutch? I'm as strong as I have ever been. Hey, you know what? Why don't I race you back?
Kemon mau ngajak balap cuy, hayu.
Okay, you're on.
Let's go.
That's the spirit. Okay, on my word. Set, go.
Wih, ngajak balap udah aja si Asep Dekil ngelonyeng bisa. Asep Dekil dilawan cuy. Asep Dekil dilawan cuy. Come on. Us. 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 Ah, si belok atuh. Hihi. Ya macam-macam sama si belok. Hei. Hihi. Si belok mau dilawan cuy. Holy shit, dia nyusul. Ayo belok, waran heula.
Final stretch. You really think you can hold that lead? No doubt.
Come on, belok. Come on, belok. Come on, belok. You are the hero, belok. Tenang, belok.
It's sad to think back to you in your prime.
Come on, belok. Come on, belok. Come on, belok.
I never knew you were quite so good at running away, Arthur.
I never knew age had slowed you down quite so much.
Well, time is a bastard. When you get to be my age, well, you'll know that better than anything. Be well. I had fun with you today. I was gonna say you're like a son to me. But you're more than that.
Sampai kangesang gitu cuy. Asep Dekil. Kasihan ini. Kasihan. Belum mantap belum. Oke guys, satu misi sudah kita kerjakan, bahkan 2 misi ya, tadi sambil menagih hutang ya. Ya sudah Asep Dekil kerjakan ya. Jadi ya kita cukupkan saja dulu sampai di sini ya untuk game RDR 2 kali ini. Nanti kita lanjutkan lagi dengan misi-misi yang selanjutnya di video yang selanjutnya. Oke. Terima kasih yang sudah nonton ya. Jangan lupa untuk subscribe, like, and comment. Juga loncengnya dinyalakan. Oke. Yaudah, bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.